students, today we will learn how a computer works. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. A computer works in three basic steps: input, process and output. Let us take an example to understand basic steps of a computer. Suppose input is blunt pencil, then the process would be sharpening and sharp pencil will be output. If we take dirty clothes as input, then the process would be washing and output will be clean clothes. Let's understand these steps by taking an example of our body. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with the mouth, it works like an output unit. Let us first learn what input is. The data and instructions that we enter into the computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and mouse. Now let us find out what is a process. Working on data is called processing. The CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculations. Okay, students, we will now find out what is the output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Let us learn the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and plus is the instruction. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions. That is, it will add the numbers 2 and 5. 7 is the correct result or output of the sum 2 plus 5. That is equal to 7. Input 2, 5. Process 2 plus 5. Output 7.
Okay, this is your chapter number 3rd. How does a computer work? After this, we can solve the question answers after that chapter. I am giving you answers, so you can write question answers in your notebook. After that, there are some my activities in your book. Also solve that activity. That is your homework. I am not given answer for that my activities. So
Fill
first
in the
is
blanks with the help of hints given below.
the data that we enter into the computer is known as what? There are some hint is there. So these are the hints. So first answer, the data that we enter in a computer is known as, in your book, the chapter, the first line you see there is answer, data and instruction. Next is dash is the result given by a computer. So which is the result given by a computer? Result means output. So write down here output. Next is input for a mango shake is. So if you want to make a mango shake, so first thing you want, that obvious is mango. You have to create a mango shake. So second thing is milk and third thing is sugar. So write down here mango. Next is milk and third one is sugar. Next thing, we enter dash into a computer. What we enter in a computer? Yes, we can enter input in a computer for the for the output, right? So data can be. Next question, fifth is data can be. So data can be in a first line letters, numbers, and instructions. So here is there pictures. So data can be, you have to write letters, numbers, and pictures. Okay, go to the next page.
Write T for true or F for false statements.
So what? First one is data type into a computer is called output. So whatever we type in a computer is called output? No. Whatever we type in a computer is called input. So it is a wrong statement. You have to write F for here. Next thing, a computer is a machine. Yes, computer is a machine and it is run on electricity. Next thing, for third one, when a computer work on the data, it is called processing. Yes. What is the brain of a computer? A CPU is called a brain of a computer. With the help of CPU, our input, it comes in a CPU, it will process it and give us the output, and the output can show with the help of monitor or with the help of printer. How printer? Because printer can give the final copy of our output. So third one is also a true. Next thing, we get input from the computer. So we get input from the computer? No. So it is false. Next thing,
Take the best answer.
now tick the right answer. Which part of a computer does all the calculations? So CPU does all the calculation. Why? Because CPU is called a brain of a computer. It will store all the data, instructions, picture, whatever you do with the help of computer, all these things are saved in a CPU. That's why CPU is store all the calculations. What are the data and instruction together known as? So data and the instruction is together known as input. Means what? Instruction and data with the help of keyboard or mouse we give to the computer, then the computer will process it and give us the output with the help of monitor. Now next thing, third one, which part of a human body work like a CPU? Yes. How many times? Maybe three times. I'm just now I tell you that brain is called the CPU is called the brain of your computer. Why? Because humans brain store all these things. Same computer CPU is store all the data in the CPU. Next thing,
Answer the following.
first one, mention three steps process on which a computer works on. So what are the three steps? First one is input, second one is process, and third one is a output. Next question, which part of a computer work on a data to give the output? So which part of computer work on a data to give the output? Keyboard, comma, mouse. uh, Here is some limited lines, so I am writing now only one answer. Okay, but in your notebook you are write both the answer keyboard and mouse. Third one is name the term used for the final result which we get after the processing. So after the processing we get the output, that is final result. Fourth one, which part of a computer display the output? Yes, monitor, because monitor look like a TV. Whatever we watch, same the that box, same computer having same type of monitor like a TV, right? So we can see the output in a TV also, and we can see the output in a monitor also, right? You are using dish or any channels subscription, we can do with the help of set of box. And that set of box means that set of box is what your processor, and that process will show the output with the help of your TV, and TV saw you all the channels that you subscribe or you pay, right? In the same way monitor also output which is show the result with the help of monitor. Which device is used to enter data in a computer? Yes, keyboard. Which part of the computer? Answer is CPU. It's my mistake, I write that keyboard. Okay, CPU is the processor. Okay, next thing is your my
Look at
activity.
the pictures given below. Label the boxes with I for input, P for processing and O for output.
Okay, this is your activity. So you have to write in your notebook. First one is the milk, comma Bormeta, comma sugar and pan. Okay, and then Bormeta milk, and next is gas burner. So you have to write this lines. After that, make a boxes and write I for input, P for processing, and O for output. And write the all the corrected answer in your notebook. Complete your notebook till chapter number 3. Okay, thank you.